Forests, source of air, water, shelter, medicine, of life itself. People have destroyed 80% of the world's forests. We are working diligently to defend those that remain. We are farmers and scientists, indigenous communities and governments, companies and citizens, working together in more than 85 countries. We are the Rainforest Alliance.
These are shallots. This is called pak choy. Here all natural, locally available stuff.
These are chayus.
And this is good for kidney stones. Celeries, some basils. We have some rosemary, chilies, thyme, potato,
Peppermint.
smell and see. Every morning as I wake up, I make a wish for the day. Today is a good day. Today is a fine day. Today is an excellent day. I'll be healthier today. Smart, sound and strong today. I'll be innovative today. My vision is to improve the productivity of existing agricultural lands whilst minimizing the damage to forests in every way. To do all that, we need to preserve the existing forest cover and improve the cover if possible. Being a part of Rainforest Alliance, I am not the only person who's doing this sort of work in this world.
Yo me llamo Amelia Quispe Macarco. Yo llegué ya a los 17 años. El tiempo no era como ahora. Nosotros mismos hemos contaminado, ¿no? Hemos quemado los bosques. Nosotros ahora estamos reforestando porque tenemos ese apoyo de Rainforest, de los que nos están dando ánimo, los que nos están incentivando a que no perdamos nuestros bosques.
My name is Jose Carrera. I am from a community in Petén, Guatemala. When I was a child, I cried because I saw how the rainforest and the wildlife was disappearing. So I took the decision to study to protect the forest. We work with the communities to show them that sustainable development is the best way to live here. We are working to make many small changes that add up to a big change.
Je me nomme Koufi Kwadjo Adrien. Donc dans mon champ, mes arbres que je plante, on ne coupe pas. Je plante les arbres pour protéger mes cacaoyers, pour protéger l'environnement, pour protéger le territoire, afin que la pluie vienne sur mes cacaos, afin que ça donne très bien.
Soy Juana Griselda Payaba Cachique. Ahí está nuestra cultura, nuestra costumbre, nuestra cosmovisión de este pueblo. El bosque es nuestro hábitat. Si yo le mato ese árbol y si tú matas a todo, ya no va a haber ese viento, ese aire puro que viene hacia nosotros. Estoy dejando algo que va a valer para otro, para mis nietos que están aquí y que coman rápido. Entonces eso yo veo y siempre me he preocupado en que las nuevas generaciones deben entender que esto es una maravilla y una cultura y una cosmovisión de los pueblos indígenas que tenemos hacia los bosques.
All human beings, although we have come out of forest for the last few centuries, whether you are in a concrete jungle even, we have that touch of nature. If we really look into nature for answers, you will have great success. Now I realize that there's a huge team behind me to push me forward. So because of that I am delighted actually. Today is a good day. Today is a fine day. Today is an excellent day.